Welcome back everyone to the layout extension project. In the last video we got some track laid about halfway through the bridge, and today we are going to extend the track off the bridge to those switches which are just laying there. So we got two tracks coming off the bridge combining into one at this switch, and then we will have a second switch. The left branch will go to the sawmill, one track all around here. This will be the sawmill, and the right branch will be the continuing of the main line, which will shoot off the wall right here and then will continue down there in the future. The ground is compacted, it felt pretty solid, so I feel good about that. And the pond liner is set into place, very roughly of course, but since I don't know where this sawmill track will go exactly, I covered almost the whole planter area and I will cut it later. So with that out of the way, we are going to lay some more track. Alright my friends, it is the next week. We start again where we left off. So as you know, I was able to lay the straight track and bend the curved track, and those are the switches we are going to install. This is main line and that is main line. They will shoot off the retaining wall right here to continue the layout at a later date. And this branch will go to the sawmill, and now the task on hand is to install all the switches and bend the track for the sawmill, And then I would need some ballast, but I wasn't able to acquire some this weekend because I came too late from work. So this will have to wait till next weekend. But we can lay the track, so that's the most important part. Let's get started. Alright, here we go. All the tracks are installed. I finally was able to acquire the ballast needed for this project, and now it looks like that. I'm pretty happy. I know you guys want to see some trains moving on the new track. Me too. But we still have to wait until this settles a little bit and I can readjust the tracks and the rain cleans the fine stuff of the gravel, so I don't ruin my rolling stock. But what I can show you today is the bridge removal process. It will be the first time the bridge gets removed. I've made some joints at each end of the bridge, right here and down here. You can see the joints as well. And what we've got also, I have installed some sliding tracks so they can differ the track length, and they will allow me, one on each side, and they will allow me to loosen the joints and slide the track back onto the bridge for a few millimeters, and this will make the removal process way easier. Both sides are disconnected. It's that easy. Open two screws, slide the rail joiner back and do it on all four track ends, and now we are ready to lift this bridge off its foundations and store it up there. And that's how easy it is to remove the bridge. Now we have a giant gap, and potentially this caravan could move through here or anything else. So that's the plan, and it worked out fantastic. And with that, we are going to end today's video. We got a whole lot accomplished, and we will see us in the next one when we set the sawmill building and some lights and other stuff, and hopefully get some trains running. Until the next time, have a good one. Bye.